Welcome to another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.
Welcome into WSI TV, where today we're bringing you your special bonus gift as our thanks to you for joining Wall Street Informer. I'm Chief Editor Sean Bauer, and with me right now is Jordan Bishop, Market Analyst.
Yeah, we really appreciate you signing up and joining us here at WSI TV and at Wall Street Informer. There's a lot of great information that's heading your way. Like our content, we send out content every Tuesday and Thursday. Get some great information in those articles. Here at WSI TV, you get once a week, you get a video from us that, we run you through our market techniques, our trading analysis, and all different cool tools that we like to run through,
Yeah, just some special things, some stuff we like to use, some stuff we think would be useful for you. And as you can see, we have some whiskey glasses. We're enjoying making money, so why not have fun with it?
Exactly.
Let you have fun with us.
And we want to portray that to you. We want you to have fun and make money at the same time. And today we have two fantastic tools for you that you can take right now and jump into trading, or if you're already a trader, you can tweak your technique a little bit so you can get the most profits.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. And yeah, that's perfectly well said, because we want this to be aimed at whether you're an experienced trader or you have zero experience in the markets whatsoever. But we're going to start with what we like to call the earnings payout trick. Now, I guess to just get you prepped for what this strategy is, you just need to know what earnings are. So 4 times a year, once a quarter, companies will report what their earnings are, so how well they did the previous quarter, right? And it's kind of all based on just what an analyst projects.
Right, and the way that ties in with the stock market is, there's expectations on what the earnings are going to be. So, you'll see the charts, the stock charts move with those earnings, or with the speculation of whether they're going to be good or bad.
Right, it all really depends on if that company beats the earnings expectations or not. If they beat earnings, it's going to go up. If not, it's going to go down. And there's 99% of the time.
Yeah, and there's a telltale sign that we use for our simple earnings payout trick, and it's all in the chart. But before we bring that to you, we're going to explain some of the aspects of the chart we have up here.
And now we're looking at the chart for eBay, thanks to stockcharts.com. And what I want you to bring your attention to is these black and red vertical lines going across the middle of the chart here. That's going to be the price of eBay from day to day. So each line is the price of eBay on one day, Jordan.
Right, and if you look across the bottom of the chart, right above where you see those dates, you see gray and red bars. Now those are volume bars. It measures the buying and selling within that given day. If there's more selling, the bar will be red. If there's more buying, the bar will be gray.
Yeah, that's absolutely right, Jordan. Now, what I want you to bring your attention to now is that far right of the chart. So we're looking at those two big gray buying volume bars you can see there, and we can see the price of eBay over there as well. Now, this is where eBay reported its earnings for fourth quarter 2016. Now, these were reported at the end of January.
Yeah.
But what I want you to know is that, first of all, eBay beat earnings reports. So they beat expectations, which is why you can see that big jump.
Yeah.
Now, this is going to happen from stock to stock, and you never really know if a stock is going to beat earnings or not. But we have sort of a hint that tells us which way it's going, Jordan, which is those volume bars there at the bottom.
Yeah, we like to call it our earnings payout trick, and it's usually a telltale sign of whether the company is going to beat the earnings or fall short.
Yep, so this is really where kind of insiders give us a hint here. But you can see the day right before that big jump at the end of the chart, you can see a big buying volume spike, which is, much larger than all the volume over the previous weeks and months.
Yeah, you'd like to see it at least twice the size, usually,
Yeah, something like that, where it's just really kind of out of the ordinary. But you can see an up day and a big buying volume spike. That gives you a good idea that a lot of people are betting on this to go up, including the insiders. So you would place your bet, your buy bet, just buying eBay stock the day before, and then as you can see, the next day, the earnings payout trick worked perfectly. The stock jumped from just over $30 a share to just about $33 a share to open the next day, which is, a solid 9% gain if you're just trading the stock. If you have an option on it, which we'll talk about that advanced trading strategy later. If you have an option, that was probably double your money easily.
Right, that's a fantastic overnight payout, It's simple as that. You get in and then you get out once it opens up.
Yeah, and it's not like this happens, just 4 times a year. There's, stocks are reporting earnings. all the time throughout the year. It's just, from day to day, it's going to change based on what stock it is.
Right, there's hundreds of thousands of companies, and just keeping track of these earnings, dates and reports, which you can find on NASDAQ.com. Just doing a quick Google search, you find out when the upcoming earnings are coming, and it's as simple as that.
Yeah, so the day before the earnings are reported, just check the chart, see if it has that volume spike there, and it works in reverse as well. If you see a big red volume spike, and the volume or in the stock goes down the day before, then you can expect the stock to open way down the next day.
Right, and you could short sell it, which is something we talk about in a couple other episodes.
Yeah, that's exactly right, just buying in reverse.
Yep, so moving on to our next bonus gift for you. This one's fantastic. I absolutely love this one. It really helps you experiment with your trading techniques. It's a market's best kept secret. It's Robinhood, the app. It's a brokerage, mostly through your phone, but the key points, there's no brokerage fees at all.
Yeah, something that really bothers me every time I make a trade is that a broker is getting $7 or $10 every single time. And that's just to open a trade. It's another $10 when I close it.
So you need your trade to go up at least $20 to break even.
Exactly.
Which is sometimes hard to do.
Yeah, so first of all, it's great if you're just starting, you have a small amount of capital, and you don't want to waste a bunch of it to open a trade.
Yeah.
But also for an experienced trader like I was before, actually Jordan brought this to my attention, this is perfect for using, new ideas, new techniques where you don't want to be investing a lot at a time.
Yeah.
And you don't want to put a lot into those brokerage fees that can really add up to hundreds or thousands of dollars over a year.
And not only are the trades free, you could start with as little as $1.
Yeah, $1.
Or
really.
20 cents. You find penny stocks, like minuscule penny stocks, and you could trade one share. There's no minimum, no brokerage fees. That's what I love about this app. And it's so simple, It really is as easy as a click on your phone, and you've bought in. As you see here, this is just a sample of a stock we traded a little while ago, and it's just as easy as that. You go on your phone, hit buy, and you enter the shares.
Yeah, and it's actually getting really big now. I think there are some investors already just in Robinhood itself.
Yeah, I know Snoop Dogg invested in the company, and Jared Leto did as well. So there's some big modern names that see the bright side to this trading app. I don't know what their investing histories are, but they see the potential, or their team sees the potential in this, right now, this small company.
Yeah, who doesn't want to trade for free, right?
I know, yeah. It's great. And, they're always, they seem to be always expanding. They're always bringing new features. They're like we said, they're up and coming. They have a decent following now, but it's going to explode once the word gets out on this. Why would you not trade for free? All these other brokerages they're gonna fall flat on their face when people realize the brilliance in this app.
Yeah, I feel like I'm just throwing money away every time I trade with another broker right now.
You pretty much are.
Yeah. So go ahead and use that overnight earnings payout trick. You couple it with Robinhood, and you're doing it for free. What gets better than that? And this is the type of information we're bringing to you week in and week out through WSI TV. So go ahead and click subscribe to that YouTube channel so you get this information first.
Yeah, just to give you a little taste of how seriously we take our stock picking around here, stick around for this bonus clip of the footage you can expect.
Yeah, so on behalf of Jordan and I, we want to thank you for being with us, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. I'm here with our market analyst, Jordan Bishop, who is actually getting ready to take his first punishment for losing out on Versus. So you want to go ahead and take care of this? All right, let's do it. Enjoy.
But Sean lost his Versus pick in our last round, so at the end of the episode, you're going to see him take this shot of hot sauce.
All right, cheers, buddy.
Alright, so my pick is
So as you can see, I'm sporting the hot dog hat from my loss last week. So I think that's a pretty crazy point, don't you think, Sean?
Yeah, wow. All right, cheers.
Cheers.
Thanks for watching another Wall Street Informer production on WSI TV.